Hey everyone, Tony Winston here. I'm going to go over the song Some Time Ago. I did a video and I tried to put chordy with it, but it kind of got all messed up. I'll put that video up as well, but here I'm just going to let chordy speak for me. So I'm just going to play through the tune very, very slowly and show you some of Bill Evans' chord changes that are a little different than the chart. And of course the chart's in the description with the changes on there, so you're free to download, of course. And I've noticed that chordy has made a few improvements. One thing is when you push the pedal down, those blue keys become lighter blue. And also if you hit the chromatic, a half step like this, it now shows both notes, where it used to, I don't think it used to show both notes. Anyway, it's a great song by Sérgio, and I do not know how to pronounce that last name, but I'll put a little information up there about him. I always thought Bill Evans wrote this song, but I guess I was wrong. All right, here we go, very slowly. Now, I like to call this chord G11. It's a G with an F triad above it, and you can add other things. Let's try this one instead. So that's a great reharm there. G 11th, and then I thought it was like F sharp minor 7 flat 5, but if you change this one note, you get what's called the D mu chord, which is just a D major chord. You replace the third with the second, and then put the third down in the bass. F minor 6, and E minor 7 flat 5, and he plays something like that, but for solo piano, I think it's probably just as good to play it something more like this. And then we have A11, so there's the G chord, A in the bass, melody note. Then it's a 13 chord. I could reach that, but you might want to do it this way. And then flat the 13 like that. And we have D9. He does triads here. So. And that's a C major chord. Might be like a rootless voicing like this. Or you could just put the C in the bass if you like. Pretty rich chord there. And these are not exactly Bill Evans's chord, but the chord symbols are correct. How he voices them, you can listen really carefully and try to get it exactly, or just work with it yourself and see what you come up with. So we got C major, and then the E7 with a sharp 9. All right, melody note is the sharp 9. Here on the A minor, I thought I heard the 9th down here, so you can do that with your thumb. And then stay on the A minor and kind of do this Stairway to Heaven type chord progression here. So. And just A flat 13 to a G11. Which, of course, once again, play the F triad. Just think down a whole step from G, then put the thing in. I'm making a video. And then maybe a very rich G7 like this. I think I heard something like that. It could have been this. Back to the top. Oh, sorry. Could do some triads here, I think, too. That's a little sparse there, so maybe. And here's a D minor 11th. We could do perfect fifths and fifths with the other hand for the Kenny Barron voicing. Or left hand could just play a 7th, or a very small version. And then E7 there. And of course the melody is the flat 9. And I've got some other stuff in there too. Again. Now, if you can't reach the 9ths, you could always let your thumb play 2 notes like that, and same in the left hand. I mean, if you can reach the 9, but you can't do it without kind of hitting the note there, the thumb can cross over these 2 and also these 2. So a little messy in there, but it'll sound okay if you want to do it that way. Now that's probably a suspended chord there. And then that's also a suspended chord with like a flat 9 and whatever that is. With a chord like this, a slash chord is the easiest way to write it and also to read it. And then that's a C major 6/9. We could put the major 7th in like that. Could fill in all kinds of stuff. But I kind of like to just keep it as sparse as possible, but still rich. Little bit of improv on my Yamaha Modi X imitation piano. Thanks, everyone. Like and subscribe. Free sheet music down there in the description. Enjoy the song. It's a wonderful tune, and see you all again soon.